Most reviews on VIP Algos tell you what it's supposed to do. I wanted to know what it actually does. So I put it through the matrix, broke down the mechanism, checked the components, looked at what real users are reporting. This is the review matrix. Here's what I found. Here's what's actually going on with inconsistent trading. Most people dealing with it aren't failing because they haven't tried. They're failing because the things they've tried only address chart clutter, not the real reason the inconsistency keeps coming back. That quiet frustration of doing everything right, staring at screens for hours and still hesitating on entries while everyone else seems to be progressing, that's the gap VIP Algos is designed for. When I broke down how VIP Algos actually works, it targets decision fatigue and zone confluence directly, not just plotting random lines on a screen. That's the distinction that matters. Most free TradingView scripts work at the symptom level, giving you lagging moving averages and late signals, which is why you get results that fade. This goes a layer deeper, algorithmic confluence that identifies market structure shifts and plots precise target zones in real time. More targeted, less guesswork. Running through the key components, the VIP market scanner, this is the one that stood out most because it directly addresses the burnout of manually clicking through dozens of Forex pairs and crypto tokens. It scans for structural shifts automatically. Then the cloud band signals, which I hadn't seen formulated this way in this category before. It visually tightens around price action to highlight volatility compression before a breakout. And the support and resistance matrix with built-in take profit and stop loss zones. Easy to overlook, but it's what makes the other two actually compound instead of cancel each other out. It maps your exact risk to reward directly on the chart before you ever click buy. Based on the breakdown and what consistent users are reporting, early on, usually within the first week of forward testing, most people notice a sharp drop in entry anxiety. The charts suddenly look cleaner and highly readable. That tends to build into actual execution discipline over weeks 2 through 4 with consistency. And longer term, the mechanical confidence to stop revenge trading and wait for the precise zones to align. Not a straight line, but a clear direction. That's what the pattern shows. The protocol is simple. Connect it to your free TradingView account in under 60 seconds, set your parameters, and let the software ping your phone when an alert triggers. Fits into a daily trading routine without friction. The timeline most people report meaningful results, 30 to 60 days. Not a disclaimer, just how cumulative mechanical trading mechanisms work. The first week is laying the foundation. The compounding kicks in after. One variable I always factor in, refund policy. VIP Algos comes with a standard money-back guarantee window. I treat that as a confidence metric. Companies don't offer real return windows on algorithmic products they know underdeliver. It also means if it doesn't work for your situation, you're not absorbing the full risk. That's a relevant input. If the mechanism checks out for your situation and the problem I described is where you actually are, the link to the official page is in the description. Direct link, no resellers, no markup. Go through it, cross-check what I've covered, and run your own matrix. You've got everything you need to decide. That's everything I've got. No spin, just wanted to give you the breakdown that actually tells you something, instead of the usual vague take.